Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G53 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see does this feature work and how fast is it. So let's just try. Okay, we should just swipe to open it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so just fast and correct. I just unlocked the device so fast, just in 1 second. It's worked correct. Just you can try it, but if you don't want to swipe after it, you can also change it in the settings up here in the security section. Just tap to face unlock, enter your password or pin code or pattern, and just here, if you will get here the skip lock screens which are turned off, just click to turn it off, and after that you'll just unlock your device will unlock automatically, so just by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.